Welcome back. In continuation of our Python programming series, in this video we'll be discussing length of a string. How do you find the length of a string? To get the length of a string, we use the len function. Right. So let's say we have a string that is attached to the variable of we can call this string. We can say this is a string. To get the length of this string, which is the number of characters that is making up that string, we use the len function. So we have len, and then you invoke it with the parentheses. So you pass the string inside of the parentheses. So this is going to return the number of characters that is making up this string. To see this now, we can print this. We can put this inside of a print function, and then that is going to print the number of characters that is making up the string for us. So we can run this. Okay, let's keep this terminal so that we see our figures vividly. Right, so you can see that means in this line we are having 16 strings. Okay, let's add more characters to it. Let's say more characters. So and let's run that. Okay, now we have 33 characters making up our string. To get the length of a string, you use the len function. Let me indicate it at the top here. So we use len function to get the length of a string. Alright, so that's that for length of a string. Now let's talk about multiple lines. How do you write multiple lines of a string? You know, in our previous videos we said that to print multiple lines of a string into the console, you have to use a multiple print statement. So you can say this is statement 1. So to have another line, you have to use multiple print statements. Alright, another way of achieving this is using the end keyword. The end keyword is used to create new lines in a string. Okay, so we can combine these three statements into the same string. You can say this is statement 2. You can paste this here. And then you can say this is statement 3. Let's comment this out to achieve. Okay, before that, let's run this so we see what we are talking about. Let's run this. We can comment this out. Let's run this now. So we have statement 1, 2, and the 3 printed into our console. To achieve same result, we can comment this out. So paste this, and then you paste this. If you run this now, you are going to have just a single line. So we have this is statement 1, this is statement 2, and this is statement 3. To achieve multiple lines, you use the end keyword. So you use n, but normally this is going to be considered as part of the string. So to escape this as not part of the string, you use backslash. Right, let me call my on-screen keyboard. I don't have backslash on my keyboard. So use backslash. And then you come to the end of statement 2, you use backslash. Alright, if you save that and run this, so you have this is statement 1, this is statement 2, and this is statement 3. So as you can see, statements 2 and 3, they are not aligned to statement 1. That is because of this space in front of the statement. So to have them in the same alignment, you will not put space. So if you run that, okay, so you have this is statement 1, this is statement 2, this is statement 3. Alright, so that's for printing multiple lines into the console. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.